Sunrise in the Serengeti, here for the Great Migration. Jada and I were waxing philosophical this morning about how everybody takes everything personally and how you see out here in the circle of life, it ain't personal. And how hard it is to just accept the way things are. I'm not accepting it either. I'm with y'all. It's looking gorgeous. Oh man, look at that light. That light is ridiculous. Bam! We're in Tanzania, hot air balloon over the Serengeti. Wow! We got night vision. Ooh!
Oh, cheetah!
Oh, and a cheetah! No, that's a leopard. And we're going to be looking for 3 particular different kinds of wildebeest swarm behaviors from the air. You saw the crocodile with a wildebeest in his mouth?
Yes, the very thing I didn't want to see. That's the only thing I saw.
That's not what I wanted for you. Welcome to the Serengeti, baby.